Good evening, guys. It's Java speaking. I'm back with a wonderful strategy. Okay, with the strategy, we have to follow some conditions. Okay, I'm going to tell you what are the conditions. Okay, the strategy is for a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, it's for 5 minutes time frame. Okay, with strategy, you have to be very patient. Okay, you're gonna wait if you wanna take a buy. Okay, you wait for the market to be below level 20. Okay, as you can see, my blue line and the cloud are above level 20. The next condition, you wait for the blue line to cross the cloud. Once you see that the blue line has crossed the cloud, you take a buy. Okay, you take a buy. So we were supposed to take a buy right here. Okay, we were supposed to take a buy right here. That's where the blue line crosses the cloud, right here. Then when do you close your trade? You close your trade as soon as you see the blue line has touched level 80. That's where you close your trade. Okay, let me show you another example. The strategies are just working fine. Okay, look at this. You have to be very patient. Look, my first condition is that the market is overbought. Okay, once I see that the market is overbought, I'm gonna wait for the blue line to cross the cloud. Okay, once I see that the blue line has crossed the cloud, what do? I take my sell right here. That's where I'll take my sell right here. Look at all this profit. The market is flashing down. Look at all this profit. Once I see my blue line is touched level 20. Once I see my blue line is touched level 20, I close my trade. That's where I'll close my trade. Look, blue line has touched level 20 right here. That's where I'll close my trade. Look at all this profit. Very wonderful. Very wonderful. Look at all this profit from year to year. Very wonderful profit. Let me show you another example. Right, look, the market is overbought. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for my blue line to cross my cloud. Look, once I see the blue line has crossed the cloud, I take my sell without fear or any favor, because I know the strategy is very powerful. The market will always obey the rules of the strategy. Okay, I'll take my trade right here, and then the market is going against me with how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it bounces back and flashes down. Look, very wonderful profit. Very wonderful. Look, I close my trade as soon as the blue line touches level 20. Okay, let me show you another example. Look, okay, this is not oversold, but the market is oversold. Okay, once I see my blue line crossing the cloud, I take my trade. Okay, this is a good entry, same time profit. Then the market start flashing down. Very wonderful profit. As soon as you see the blue line touching your 20, you close. Okay, if you are buying, as soon as you see the blue line touching level 80, you close. Okay, Let me see if I can take a trade right now. Okay, as you can see, the market is overbought. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for my second condition. Once I see the blue line crossing this cloud above level 80, I take my sale without fear of any favor, and then I'll close my trade when the blue line touches level 80. Okay guys, I don't want to make a long video. I'm saving time and space. Okay,